Hey, welcome. In this 2-minute session, we are decoding a classic confusion, semaphore versus mutex. Both are used in multi-threaded systems, but the way they work and the impact of choosing the wrong one is really very huge. Let's break it down fast and clear. Let's go ahead with a real-world analogy quickly. Let's imagine a toilet scenario. A mutex is like a single key for one toilet. Only one person can hold it, use it, and must return it after use. Now imagine a semaphore. Say there are 3 toilets and 3 keys. Up to 3 people can use them at once. No one owns the key. They just pick up and then drop. This simple analogy helps us to understand the purpose. Mutex is about exclusive access. Semaphore is about limited parallel access. Let's go a bit deeper into mutex. A mutex, short for mutual exclusion, allows only one thread to enter the critical section. It's owned. If you lock it, you must unlock it. This is used when you want tight control. Only one thread writes to a shared file or updates a shared counter. You can use mutex when you are protecting data from simultaneous access. It's very safe, but if misused, it can block everything. Let's get into the semaphore. A semaphore is like a ticket counter. Say it's initialized with 3, only 3 threads can access a resource at once. Unlike mutex, there is no ownership here. This makes semaphore really great for managing pools, like the buffer queues or I/O devices or thread pools where some parallelism is allowed but not unlimited. Let's wrap up quickly with the key differences being understood. Mutex controls who enters. Semaphore controls how many can enter. Mutex is a lock. Semaphore is a counter. If you are managing exclusive access, close your eyes, pick mutex. If you are limiting resource access, use a semaphore. Get it wrong and you risk the deadlocks, starvation, or worse performance nightmares. So choose this wisely. Until I meet you again, thank you very much.